Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says a container for shipping dog food ingredients can hold 12 1/2 gallons. If the container is 7 1/3 gallons full, how many more gallons are needed to fill the container? So since the words in the problem say how many more gallons are needed, I know this is a subtraction problem. I'm going to take the full 12 1/2 gallons that the container can hold, and I'm going to subtract out the 7 1/3 gallons that are already there, and that will tell me how many more are needed to fill the entire container. And to do this problem, I'm going to rewrite the mixed numbers as improper fractions. It's one method, there are others, however this is the method that's chosen. So I'm going to multiply 2 by 12 and get 24 and add 1, which is 25, and put that back over the denominator of 2, minus 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, and put that back over the denominator of 3. And so I have 25 halves minus 22 thirds. And I'm going to need a common denominator. Since 2 and 3 are both prime numbers, 2 times 3 is 6 will be my common denominator to use. Since 6 is my common denominator, I've multiplied the first fraction by the form of 1, 3 over 3. So 3 times 2 gave me 6, and 3 times 25 gives me 75. So 75 sixths minus, I'm going to use the form of 1, 2 over 2. 3 times 2 gave me 6. And 22 times 2 will give me 44. And so I have 75 sixths minus 44 sixths. I can now keep the common name of sixths and subtract 75 minus 44, which is 31. Last step would be to rewrite this as a mixed number. I'll take 31 and divide it by 6. 6 divides into 31 5 full times. 5 times 6 is 30, and when I subtract that, I have a remainder of 1 out of 6. And so 31 divided by 6 is a whole number of 5, and a leftover 1 out of 6. And so that tells me I need 5 1/6 gallons in order to fill up the shipping container.